is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat with a soft little purr. D is for dog with a happy fur. E is for elephant big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for giraffe so tall and neat. H is for hat you wear on the street. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for jelly that jiggles in your tummy. K is for kite that flies up high. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M is for monkey swinging in trees. N is for nest with birds and leaves. O is for octopus in the sea. P is for penguin waddling with glee. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow that comes around. S is for sun bright in the sky. T is for train that choo-choos by. U is for umbrella when it rains. V is for van on busy lanes. W is for whale big and blue. X is for xylophone, play it too. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Z is for zebra, striped all around. Now we've sung from A to Z. Let's clap our hands so happily. Learn your letters one by one. Reading and singing is so much fun.